Hey y'all, Instinct Survivalist coming again with another product review. This time we're doing the Doorstep. Now, the thing about the Doorstep is it's actually by the same company that do the Life Do grills or camping grills or car camping grills, however you want to look at it. I'll put a link down below for some of those as well. But this is actually the Doorstep. Now, the thing about this is it's great for SUVs. It's great for, in our case, the Jeep, which we're going to zoom in and show actually how it works and it working, not just unboxing. So we're going to unbox this real quick, and then we're going to cut over to actually it in use and why you would use it and how you would use it. So the thing about it is very simple. It's very simple. So inside the box you get the Doorstep itself, and you get a nice little velvet bag. Now the Doorstep is it's two pieces joined together, and it is designed to hook into the retainer for your door. So we'll get into that when I get a little closer. I'll actually install it so that you can see what I'm talking about. The other thing is it actually comes with a glass breaker on it. So if you're keeping this in the front, if you're keeping this mounted somewhere, then you've got a nice glass breaker as well. This thing is, I will just say, highly rated as far as weight goes. And it does have a rubber bumper on it so that you're not scratching up anything. And it also distributes the length of the hook, actually helps with the weight distribution. So really cool. I've used it, I can't tell you how many times already. So we're gonna go in, I'm gonna show you the nastiness of the inside of the Jeep, but actually show you how to install it and go from there. So stay tuned and we'll cut away. All right, so in looking in how we use it, again, this being the retainer for that, if you don't have one that is full circle, if you will, or fully enclosed, you've got one that's half enclosed, it still works. That's the other benefit of this. Real simple as far as the installation of this. I raise the hook up, I hook it under there, and it rests there. Very simple, very easy to go in and use. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to back out the camera. You can see my big butt getting up on it, and that way you can see how I'm having to do this. It's a two-step for me. Low Jeep railing, and then step here. You'll notice it does move, and the reason being is because there's no weight on it, right? So real simple, right? So when we go in and put that in there, again, the length of the hook and the rubber keeps it very stabilized and keeps it to where you're not pulling this out. So that's kind of the way we do. So we're going to work our way and look at it the other way. All right, so there you go. The Doorstep, again, by the folks that bring you the Life Do grill. Very cool function, very cool product. And the other thing I like about it, and I think I stated it already, if I didn't, I'm saying it now, is the fact that I can use it on either side. So it's not about, hey, let me mount them to the door hinges. And I've seen those. I've actually got some of those in my cart from Amazon. But I'm not sure I'm going to buy them now just because of that. But this gives me the flexibility of back door, front door, gives me the flexibility of passenger side, driver side, gives me the full flexibility of the whole thing. So anyway, hey, thanks for all you do. Thanks for likes, comments, subscribes, and shares. And until then, use your instincts to survive. Thanks for watching.